Crispy potato bites. Mashed boiled potatoes. Add 1 chopped onion. Add mashed green chilies, coriander, dhania leaves, salt, red chili flakes, turmeric, haldi powder, garam masala, red pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, chaat masala. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and kasuri methi. Mix it with hands. Add cheese. Take 2 tablespoons of plain flour maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, mix it. Dip bites and then add crumbs coating. Yummy tasty potato bites ready, freeze it or cook.